surprise you to know that I don't only make engagement rings. See, I've been making jewellery for over 30 years, and by making engagement rings, it really does mean that I can make absolutely anything. And in turn, that also means that I can pretty much repair any piece of jewellery, gold, silver or platinum, that you've got. So if you've got a chain that's broken, or you've got an old ring where the stone might be a bit worn, or worse still, the claws are a little bit worse for wear or have broken off, then why don't you bring it in to me? It might just need a little bit of TLC, make some new claws, or maybe put a new shank on the back of a ring. It will save you hundreds of pounds in purchasing a replacement, and ultimately you'll be able to keep that piece of jewellery for not just your generation, but generations to come. Something to think about, and another money-saving tip.